What's up, guys? Jake, the MMA Dad. Hey, shouts out to the Nightwish Army, shouts out to Creek Squad, shouts out to the Hangover Gang, the whole YouTube community, and as always, a big shout out and thank you to our first responders, active military, and our veterans. We love you guys. So, when I started my Nightwish journey, which has been absolutely phenomenal, I was told about several other bands that I should also check out because of the fact that I love Nightwish so much. And one of them that kept popping up a lot was EPICA. And apparently EPICA actually did a song with Floor, who's the lead singer of Nightwish. And I didn't want to check that one out just because I wanted to kind of, get a feel for the band EPICA before I got into any kind of mashups that they've done. So we're gonna do EPICA Unleashed, and I like the name of the song, and everybody said that EPICA is phenomenal as well. So I'm excited to get into this one, guys. See what I got ahead of me. I'm excited. So EPICA Unleashed is gonna be our next song for the night, and there's been a lot of people requesting that I check them out, so I'm excited to get to them. Let's go. Boom. Okay. Y'all know I like double bass drum. You got a shot? I like that drum part. She's got a beautiful voice as well. Ooh, I like that in the background. That almost chanting sound in the back. I like it. was beautiful. I like that. It's like an epic kind of feel. They're killing it as well, man. That sounds good. That drummer's getting it, man. So, I mean, they killed that as well. You know, I was seeing in some of the comments as I was pulling the song up, where I guess, you know, you have like a divisions to some extent between you know, Nightwish and EPICA's fan bases, and I mean, I would say that 100%. I think they would sound phenomenal together. So I'm excited now to hear where Floor sings with them. And I'll say this, and this comment is in no way, shape, or form meant to be disrespectful to anybody. It's just what I heard from that song and what I've heard from Nightwish so far, just my ears and the way they're hearing it, okay? I think that Floor has a more powerful voice, and I think that and I don't know their names right now, but I think that that Epica's singer has a softer tone. It's not to say that she's not a phenomenal singer. I just think that if they were singing side by side, I think that Floor would have the more powerful voice, and I think that she would complement that powerful voice really well with her softer tone of the way that her voice comes across. So I think that the two of them would make amazing vocal music because of the fact that there's a contrast in the way their voice sounds, at least from what I've heard so far. The more like booming kind of powerful voice that Floor has, and then that softer side that she brings in. And I'm sure Floor can do the softer side too, but so far I've heard more of Floor just really just getting it, right? I think that both of them are talented, and I think that they killed this song. And that drummer too, like, he was going crazy on that drum set, and I think they both sound really, really well. So, you know, in my personal opinion, I think that there's always room for everybody who wants to be in music, because music is so subjective. And I think that that you can have your own lane, you can share a lane. You know, the fact that they came together and did a song together speaks volumes to them. So I'm here for it. I can't wait to hear that song that they did together, because again, I think that the differences in the two singers' voices together is going to sound amazing. So thank you guys for recommending EPICA. I'm definitely going to check out more of their music. Where are they from? I don't remember seeing in the comments. I may have, I get punched in the head for a living for like half of my job, so I can't remember somebody telling me where they are from, but let me know down in the comments where they're from. And I think it's great. So yeah, that was my introduction to EPICA. I can't wait to hear the song that they have together with Floor. So I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Let's get on to the next one.